Hey guys, it's Sierra with Vegas Print Supplies. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and setting up the brand new Roland BD-8. This is one of the smallest UV flatbeds to hit the market. I'm going to go ahead and get this unboxed, and I'm going to walk you guys through the whole process from installing all the way to printing our own product. Let's get started. Now that I have the machine all set up behind me, we can go ahead and proceed with the installation process. There's a QR code on the side of the machine that will take you to Roland's download center so you can have access to the manual and proceed with the installation at home. It has everything from the software to the manuals. This machine also comes with Flexi Designer VersaSTUDIO Edition, which is a nice perk to getting this machine. Since this machine has retainers, I'm going to go ahead and remove those. Make sure to always keep your retainers with your machine in case you decide to ever move it. Now we can plug in and power on the machine. Now that the machine is plugged in and powered on, we can proceed the installation through VersaWorks on our laptop. Proceeding on our computer, after you download VersaWorks 6 as well as Roland DG Connect Hub, we can go ahead and connect our laptop or our computer to the machine itself. I'm going to go ahead and open up Roland DG Connect Hub. This will help prompt me to finish my installation. Roland DG Connect Hub automatically registered that my BD-8 is connected, and it has a serial number as well. From Roland DG Connect Hub, I can open up the BD utility, which will help me finish my installation. As you can see, it immediately prompted me to do an ink filling, and it tells me about how long it will take. Afterwards, it tells me to do a nozzle dropout test and adjust it to make sure that everything is perfect. I'm going to go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions. The BD utility is going to walk me through the whole process of the initial ink filling. You want to make sure to shake each ink cartridge approximately 50 times or about 20 seconds each to make sure that all of the ink is mixed up properly. A pro tip is to always shake your white ink upside down so that if any sediment set to the bottom, it can properly mix without getting stuck. Now that all of the inks are in there, it's going to proceed with the initial ink filling. Before printing, it's always crucial to ensure that all of our nozzles are there. To do that, I'm going to do a test print, and if we're missing any nozzles, then we're going to do an automatic clean and even possibly a manual cleaning to get those nozzles back. I'm going to do that test print right now. After locating and bringing in my file, I can get the media width of the actual product that I already set up before in my utility. As you can see, it kind of cut it off, so I'm going to select center on the media and fit to media size. After I change my media type to generic with primer, I can change the mode to primer, white, and CMYK. Yes, you heard me right. Primer, white, and CMYK will all print simultaneously. After changing it to primer, white, and CMYK, I can double check that all of my other settings are correct. After all of my settings are correct, I can press print and sit back and watch it print. After hitting print on VersaWorks 6, all I have to do is sit back and wait for the product to be done. And just like that, we have a super cute, super funny set of these coasters. I love how these turned out. They were super easy to make. They didn't even take that long to print all 4 of them. And if you set it up correctly, you can actually print all 4 at once, which if you'd like to see that in another video, make sure to let me know. As always, leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for some more of our content, and make sure to drop a comment of some more content you would like to see in the future. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.